Hi everyone, I am Sena Ratnedil Singh. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to do the third lesson on the new Pali course for beginners. If you haven't watched my two videos, the first two lessons, please watch them before watching this video. Today I am going to do the conjugation of verbs. Before we conjugate verbs, we should remember that there are three tenses in Pali. Vartamana kala, present tense. Atita kala, past tense. Anagata kala, future tense. And there are two voices. Kattu karaka, active voice. Kamma karaka, passive voice. Also there are three persons. Pathama purisa, equivalent to third person in English. Madhyama purisa is equivalent to second person in English. Uttama Purusa is equivalent to the first person in English. Let's see how we can conjugate the root gacha, to go, in Pali, in present tense. Gachati, gachanti, gachasi, gachatha, gachami, gachama. Conjugation of the root gacha, to go. Look at the table. There are three columns. In the first column you see the persons. In the second and third columns you see singular and plural forms. I have also mentioned the personal pronouns within brackets so that you can easily understand. Patama Purisa means the third person in English. So gacchati, singular form, plural, te gachanti. Majjhima Purisa, singular, twang gacchasi, plural, tum he gacchata. Uttam Purisa, singular, ahang gacchami, plural, mayang gacchama. This table shows the English meaning of the above conjugation. Pathama Purisa, he goes, singular form. Plural form, they go. They means they. Majjhima Purisa, singular form, you go. Plural form, you go. Uttama Purisa, singular form, I go. Plural form, we go. Now let's look at the conjugation of the base bhava. Bhava means to be, verb. Again there is a table for your easy understanding. In the three columns you see the persons, singular, plural, respectively. Pathama Purisa, so bhavati, te bhavanti. Majjhima Purisa, twang bhavasi, tum he bhavatha. Uttama Purisa, ahang bhavami, mayang bhavama. Now let's look at the meaning. Pathama Purisa, or the third person, he is, they are. Second person, or Majjhima Purisa, you are, you are. Uttam Purisa, singular form, I am, we are. That is the first person in English. Now let's see the verb endings or suffixes added to the roots. Persons, singular and plural. Pathama Purisa, the suffix ti is added in the singular form. In the plural form, you add nti. Majjhima Purisa singular, si. Plural, tha. Uttam Purisa singular, mi. Plural, ma. Remember that when you add Uttama Purisa singular and plural suffixes to the root, the last vowel of the root should be lengthened. Gachami. Gacha root ends with a short vowel, and that vowel should be lengthened or pronounced long before adding this prefix. Gachami should be pronounced as gachami. Gachama becomes gachama. The following are similarly conjugated. Note that all these verbs are given in Pathama Purisa Ekavachana or third person singular form. Pachati cooks. Tithati stands. Nisidati sits. Sayati sleeps. Bhasati says. Charati walks. Dhavati runs. Passati sees. Bhunjati eats. Harati carries. Aharati brings. Kilati plays. Vasati lives. Hanati kills. Aruhati ascends. Hasati laughs or smiles. Vandati worships. Kasati plows. Now let's construct some sentences in Pali. Before we make sentences, it's important to note that the usual sentence structure in Pali is subject, object, verb. Subject, object, verb. The doer or the subject in a sentence is always in nominative case or pathama vibhakti, and the object is always in accusative case or dutiya vibhakti. Look at the following sentences. Subject, object, verb. Buddho dhammam bhasati. The Buddha preaches the doctrine. Siha mige hananti. Lions kill deer. Kumara chandam passanti. Boys see the moon. Or you can either say, boys look at the moon. Kasako khetang kasati. The farmer plows the fields. Ahang deepang harami. I carry a lamp. Now let's translate some English sentences into Pali. We will first focus on SVO structure in English. Subject, verb, object. You all know that is the usual sentence pattern in English. Subject, verb, object. Look at these sentences. Men look at the sun. Nara suryam passanti. The boy goes to school. Kumaro Patalayam Gachati. Here, look at this underlined phrase in the English sentence. To school is an adverbial clause according to English grammar. It is not the object of the sentence. But if you go to some place, that place is considered in the accusative case according to Pali grammar. That's why I have added this sentence here. So the boy goes to school means Kumaro Patalayam Gachati. You, singular, see the sun, moon. You see the moon. Twang Chandam Passasi. If it was plural you, the Pali translation will be Tumhe Chandam Passatha. Bhupala Ratte Rakkanti. Kings protect the countries. The child hits the dog. Darako Sunakhang Paharati. Now you can try to translate the following sentences into English. Manussa dhammang sunanti. Sunati means hears or listens to. Kassaka khette kasanti. Mayang buddhang vandama. Kumaro assang aruhati. Twang potthakang pathasi. Potthakang means book. Patati means reads. Gona tinang kadanti. Tinang means grass. Kadati means eats.
I have come to the end of today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed the lesson. If you enjoyed it, please like, comment and share my videos. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And also, I hope you will do the exercise given in the lesson. See you all in my next video. Bye bye.